If you work for a company that manufactures or processes liquids, you've probably got strong water saving initiatives or targets to hit, and pigging is a great way to help you save water. Now, pigging is usually about product recovery, and yes, that's where your main ROI and payback is going to come from, but product recovery and water saving are by no means mutually exclusive. So, how does pigging save water? Well, there are a number of ways. Very briefly, the first way is that if you do long and continuous flushes before your CIP process, pigging will help shorten these significantly. Because think about it, if you've recovered most of your product before you flush, there's hardly any product to remove. So your flush can be a lot shorter. Sometimes you can do away with your initial flush altogether. Another way is that you can use your washout or sanitation water to actually propel the pig itself rather than using compressed air. In that way, you're pigging and cleaning as you go, pigging and flushing as you go, and therefore saving a lot of water. Another way is to actually recover the water itself, is to pig the water itself to a recovery tank or storage tank, and rather than put it straight down the drain, so you can reuse it, again saving water. And finally, and this is a fantastic innovation, it's been around a couple of years from HPS. It was what we call the dual pig system. It's where you put an accurately measured slug of water and or cleaning fluid between two pigs and drive it up and down the line. It gets a lot more complicated than that, but it's already in use very successfully in a number of companies, including the paint industry and I think a couple of food and beverage companies as well. If you're interested in saving water and you work for a company that manufactures or processes liquids, put something in the comments, send me a message, or contact HPS.